Meaning of hush-hush.
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 Hush-hush. Hush-hush is an idiomatic phrase used to describe something that is secretive or confidential. It can refer to a situation, event, or information that is not meant to be shared with others. The term is often used in a hushed tone, emphasizing the need for discretion and secrecy. People may use hush-hush when discussing personal or sensitive topics like classified information, business secrets, or private matters. In sum, hush-hush describes anything that needs to be kept quiet and not shared outside of trusted circles.